Flat belly exercises to do before breakfast. Are you waking up to bloating and belly bulge? Feeling frustrated that your efforts aren't yielding results? Well, what if I told you that your morning routine could be the culprit? Did you know that exercising on an empty stomach can actually be more effective for burning stubborn belly fat? It's true, but not just any exercise will do the trick. Stay tuned as I reveal some flat belly exercises you can do before breakfast to jumpstart your metabolism and sculpt your midsection. Now let's start workouts. Side shuffles, high knee. Stand here with your feet apart and arms at your sides with elbows bent. Now lift your left knee as high as you can and raise your right heel off the floor. Step down and lift the right knee. Alternate lifting your knees and moving left to right. Perform 2 steps to the left and then to the right. Your arms should move back and forth naturally. Next exercise, squat and double knee to elbow. Stand shoulder width apart with your arms at your sides. Now lower into a squat until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Bring your arms in front of you. Rise from the squat and bring your right arm behind your head with your elbow bent. Place your left arm on your hip. Next, lift your left knee and rotate your upper body so that your left knee and right elbow touch. Step down and perform a squat. As you rise from the squat, tap the knee with your left elbow. Step down and perform a squat. Shuffles burpee. Stand in a narrow stance with your arms at your sides. Squat down and place your hands on the floor outside your legs. Jump back to a plank position, keeping your body in a straight line. Jump back in, bringing your knees towards your chest. Stand up and then perform 3 scissors jumps, bringing one leg forward and one back. Repeat the movement. Forward sideward hops. Stand in a narrow stance with your arms at your sides and elbows bent. Now jump and bring your left leg forward and right leg behind. Jump back in. Then jump apart into a wider stance. Jump in again. Then jump bringing the right leg forward and left leg behind. Jump to the center and then jump apart. Repeat the movement pattern. Side shuffle overhead punches. Stand in a narrow stance with your arms at your sides and elbows bent. Now move side to side, bringing your left leg forward and right leg behind. Then your right leg forward and left leg behind. At the same time, lift your arms overhead, alternating between your left and right arm as if you were punching the air. Alternating frog crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Lower each leg to the side with your feet facing each other. Raise your arms overhead and bring your hands together. Now lift your upper body and arms off the floor, and at the same time lift your left leg off the floor, tapping your ankle with your hands. Lower to the starting position, then lift your right leg and your upper body, tapping your ankle. Double plank jacks to 4 mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Your legs should be in a narrow stance. Now jump with your legs out to a wide stance. Bring them back together and repeat once more. Then bring your left knee toward your chest. Extend it, and then your right knee. Perform 4 repetitions. Repeat the sequence. Perform 2 plank jacks and 4 mountain climbers. And there you have it, folks. These simple flat belly exercises you can do before breakfast to kickstart your metabolism and sculpt your midsection. Remember, consistency is key, so make these exercises a part of your daily routine